Hello and welcome to Little Learners Early Literacy for 0 through 5. I'm Miss Tara from the Public Library, and today we're going to make a snowman out of, you guessed it, a toilet paper roll. So you're going to need a sheet of construction paper, some ribbon, some glue, some markers, some wiggly eyes, and some scissors. So we're going to take our construction paper and we're going to roll it on top of the toilet paper roll. And then we're going to cut it. Make sure you get help from your parents when you're cutting. And then we're going to cut again because we have quite a bit. So you have to measure it. Okay, then you want to take your tape. And you want to tape your sides down. You want to tape your other side. My tape is not cooperating today. You want to make sure you tape it down really well. Okay, once you have your sides taped, you're going to take and you're going to stuff the top of the construction paper down inside the toilet paper roll. So, see how I stuffed it? We're going to do the same at the other end. So, it should look like this. Then we're going to get a black marker. And on the front, we're going to draw a nose shaped like a triangle. Just like that. And then we're going to take some little dots. And we're going to circle them all around. And that's going to be his mouth. Something like that. May look a little crooked. And then you want to color your nose in orange. And then you want to take some ribbon and cut it. And you want to wrap it around. Kind of crisscross it, and that'll be his scarf. And then you want to take you some wiggly eyes and put on. Like that. I used a little piece of tape to kind of get them to stick on there. Let's get these eyes on here. So once you get your eyes and you get your scarf on there, it's going to look something like this. A toilet paper snowman. There are lots of things you can do with toilet paper rolls or paper towel rolls. Just get your parents to help you and do some Google search and find some cool and neat crafts to do. Thanks, boys and girls.